Hi, I'm Natalie and welcome back to my series. Today I'm going to show you how to print professional quality greeting cards and business cards using Adobe Express. We'll start in Adobe Express where I've already created the designs for greeting cards and a business card. If you're designing something new, you can use Express's templates and easy to use tools to get started. Once your designs are ready, we'll jump right into printing. In Express, we're going to select the print feature right here. As you can see where my mouse is, we'll click on print. And we're going to be printing a business card and a thank you card. So let's start off with the business card. We'll select the size 3.5 by 2 inches because that's the size we originally designed in. And then we're going to start importing our designs. So we're going to go ahead and click on upload on the left side of our screen. And we will upload the front of our card first. Let's make sure it fits nice and snug onto the page. And then we're going to add a page now. Now we'll click on add the same size page and we'll go ahead and upload the back of our card. And again, make sure it fits onto that canvas. So for the front, we have page 1 of 2 selected. And then for the back of our card, we need to select page 2 of 2. So now if we preview this, you'll see this is the front and this is the back. And it's giving you a couple of images showing you how it's going to look. And then these are the different types of printing paper that you can print on. I'll begin by choosing the basic settings like paper type and corner style to keep it simple and professional. I've selected the square corners for a clean, modern look, and I've also chosen the eggshell Y option with a 17.5 point paper thickness. Below you'll find detailed information about your product and the paper description. Next, choose your desired quantity. Remember, the more you order, the better the discount you receive. And once you're happy with your choices, simply click Add to Cart. So we're going to add that to our cart. Our business card is ready for print. Now let's continue with the next one. We're going to go back home. We're going to go ahead and click on print, and we want to create a card, a thank you card, and we want it to be a 7x5 landscape card. We're going to do the same process. We're going to go ahead and click on upload, and we're going to upload that thank you card we originally designed in the very first video of this series. I'm going to fix it to fit on the canvas. And the inside, I want it to be blank. The bottom right, I want it to be blank. And the back, I want it to be blank. So again, you can select the size. You can select envelopes. You can select the paper type, semi-gloss or signature matte. I'm just going to go ahead and select the signature matte. And then I'll select the amount of cards. And again, we'll add that to the cart. So once everything looks good, go in and place the order. Adobe Express will take care of the rest, printing your designs and delivering them to your doorstep. The process is quick and the results are always stunning. Let me show you guys how it came out. The package has just arrived. Let's take a look at how the prints turned out. And here's the final result. Look at how vibrant the colors are and how clean the designs came out. It's honestly so rewarding to see my digital designs brought to life with such great quality. So whether you're printing in bulk or just printing a couple things for personal use, Adobe Express makes it easy and affordable to bring your creations to life. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design and business tips. See you guys in the next video.